Numbers, Venn diagram of numbers. Here we are studying about numbers, types of numbers. Okay, so natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Okay, in here you can see types of numbers and Venn diagram of numbers. The smallest circle is shown natural or counting numbers, a number set of numbers which is started from 1 to infinity is called natural numbers, counting numbers. Okay, there is no any negative numbers consist in natural numbers. After that, the biggest set from the natural number is called whole number. The set of natural numbers, the series of natural number is with 0. If we add just 0 in the natural number series, then the new series forms whole numbers. So the all counting numbers with 0 is known as whole numbers. After that, the biggest set, greater set with the whole numbers is known as integers. All whole numbers and numbers and their opposites means addition, जो एडिटिंग opposition होता है means minus negative numbers. If we adjust negative integers or negative numbers also in the set of whole numbers, then the new series will form integers. So integers is a set of numbers which consist all the whole numbers and their opposites with 0. So negative minus infinity to 0 and 0 to plus infinity is known as integer. So in a simple way we can say a set of numbers which consist minus infinity to plus infinity consists with 0 is known as integers. So it is a third type of integers, but the biggest set of the numbers is called rational numbers. So smallest natural number, then whole number, then integers, then the last greatest and largest set is rational numbers. Rational numbers, all the numbers that can be written as a fraction is known as rational numbers. So rational number is a biggest set of numbers which consist integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. So you may see the biggest circle is a biggest part which consists integers, set of integers, also consists set of whole numbers, also consists set of natural numbers. This is known as वेन डायग्राम. सो वेन डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं कि जो एक रैशनल नंबर होगा वो इंटीजर भी है, होल नंबर भी है, नेचुरल नंबर भी है, बट अ नेचुरल नंबर इज नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर, अ नेचुरल नंबर इज नॉट अ होल नंबर. Okay, so this is a Venn diagram of numbers. You may see comparable study of rational numbers and rational number in decimal form, rational number in fractional form. Okay, after that, the orange circle, you may see this Venn diagram of colorful. The orange circle is known as, is showing here natural numbers, the set of numbers starting with 1 and counting up to by ones. There is no any 0 consist here, so this set is called natural numbers, orange circle. After that, the parrot green circle is for whole numbers. So set of natural numbers and the number 0. देखो set of natural number तो उसमें consist होगा ही, but साथ में 0 भी अगर हम इसमें आप put करें, there is known as whole numbers. After that, integers set of whole numbers and their opposites, तो opposites भी उसमें होंगे. After that, rational number, set of numbers that can be expressed as a quotient of two integers. जब हम दो इंटीजर्स को हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो उसमें जो क्वोशंट्स होते हैं फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में भी जो नंबर्स होते हैं दैट कंसिस्ट, देन दैट सेट इज कॉल्ड रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, सो दीज are the types of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Okay students, thank you.